we have a square which is inscribed in a circle, so we will draw. So we have the shaded parts, and that is the problem to be answered, the shaded region. So the color red in our illustration. So we will consider the given radius 4 centimeters. So the other radius will also be 4 centimeters to form the diameter. So we will start with the area of a square since it's inside. So s squared. So we will use Pythagorean theorem. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 cm, and then SS, which corresponds to the side. So using Pythagorean theorem, so c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So c squared is 8. So we have a and b as s. So we have 8 squared is 64, s squared plus s squared is equal to 2s squared. And we will solve for s squared. We have 32. 64 divided by 2. So that is the area of the square. So we will find now the area of a circle. So we have the formula in the note. So pi r squared. So we have the given radius, which is equal to 4. So 4 squared times pi is equal to 16 pi. So which is the area of the circle. So for our shaded region area, we have to subtract area of the circle and area of the square. So we have 16 pi minus 32. So that is square centimeters, or the approximate value is, if we will simplify, we have 18.27 square centimeters. That's the approximate area of the shaded region.